everybody knows it's very difficult now to get new staff members. So with what Duplo offer, it's very easy to get the guys who are not au fait with fold stitcher machines to learn it, simply learn it, and then all they've got to understand is the quality coming off the end. You know the machine will do it. There's no real massive technical problems with lots and lots of learning. So from a business point of view, the investment runs alongside everything else, and we can see the value. So when we're costing out a machine, we can see the inputs and the outputs work.
We give a good service and our customers keep coming back. We haven't got people knocking on doors, ringing people up every day. It's all word of mouth, and our dad drove that into us. So I think especially me and Gav have basically taken that on now to give people what they want and when they need it, basically, and hitting deadlines. It sounds as simple as that, but sometimes, you know, it is as simple as that. Just make sure the customer's happy. And with all the new kit we've got now, yeah, it's all going in the right direction and our customers are happy.
When I talk to other customers, they're talking about they're getting work from the web, but they got a salesperson out there do it. These guys are just so hot on service and turnaround and quality. They just have people coming back to them all the time. And the history between Duplo and Doveton Press actually go beyond my 26 years with Duplo, and they actually had a second-hand system which I was aware of, so I needed to go and see the guys. And I've met Mike Savage, first of all, who is Gavin and Mark's father. And from there, it blossomed into something really nice. And actually, Doveton have had through the whole range of the booklet makers throughout the years. They've got a DBP-500 hot melt binder. They've had a few multi-finishers off me. So they've had the 746, and pleased to say now they've got the latest in the generation, the 648. And now I'm proud to say that they've got the latest 700 system. And the big main feature of the 700 is it can do square spine now. So we can actually square spine up to a 200-page brochure, and we can get over 3,000 books an hour running that sort of systems. And they've actually kept the 600, and now they've got a combined power of up to 10,000 books an hour, or up to 20,000 two up, because they've got 4 heads, 5-knife trim.
We had our XL75 put in because it turns over the work so quickly and it builds up and builds up and builds up. Guys in finishing were getting stressed because it was a long-winded process for stitching, and with the 2 latest investments for us, it will cut out folding sheets for our stitch line. So instead we just cut everything. It should make us even more streamlined because we pre-cut the work before it goes onto the stitch line. And I would say it would double our productivity in finishing, because notoriously over the years finishing's always been a bottleneck. And now with these 2 systems we should double it easily. And it just makes life easier and more productive for the guys, and it seemed they enjoy to run it. And it, you know, we don't have those, we do have some stressful days, but not as many as we used to have.
Because they're digital and they're light, so they could be running anything from 1 to 100,000 books. People want something on demand. They want it today or tomorrow or whatever it might be, and the automation and the simplicity of the Duplo kit has allowed them to kind of offer that service, you know, and be proud of it and secure that it was going to get to them.
If somebody does need a job urgently, we can react and get it done that day. Especially if a digital booklet or something someone wants out the door that night, we can print it and stitch it and get it out the door.
We've seen the progression and how much better they've got with their machines every time we brought them. So, and from a business point of view, to have multiple staff being able to use multiple machines is a real no-brainer for us, to be quite honest with you. And the skill levels have come down in the finishing, but the machines really put in all the work. So that's, we sort of look at our partners through finishing and print to see the best solutions, the best cost, obviously. And we found with Duplo that over the years, especially with Jason, you know, what he says happens. So yeah, very, very happy with the way it's gone. Generally, reliability has been very good. And if there is a problem, you can phone Jason, he will help. So it's not just phoning the offices, you can phone the man who sells you the machines and he will say, try this, try that. So yeah, very, very impressed. You need machinery which is going to be able to keep you, you know, in line with all your other competitors and be able to sell the product at the right price. And the more staff who can use the machines, the less staff we can have, if you know what I mean, within the production base, which also saves you money. So investment, we make sure we choose the right machines and the right backers.
You know, it's testament to the kit, the level of service the Duplo offer, that they've never even really looked anywhere else. They've just said, nope, Jace, we like the way you look after us, we like the kit, we're just sticking with you, basically.
With Duplo, we've kept with them basically because the equipment's good, easy to use, it's not complicated software on the front end, and the guys like to run it. It just makes life a little bit more easier, and the speed of it, we can get it, like you say, we can get it through the factory quicker. Yeah, and very rarely have a problem. And this, like you say, the support's good. If we need a break, if there is a breakdown, the guys are here within a day or 2 days, and we're up and running again. So there was no need to go anywhere else because we know this stuff's good, the equipment's good. So if it's not broken, don't fix it.